this. You can't see, it says beware. Beware universal quantifiers and negative self-talk. Remember, what are you telling yourself? We understand the negative self-talk. You're rubbish. You can't do this. Shirts are really difficult. Yeah, it's the negative self-talk. It's just as easy to say all the other things. We've got the what-ifs. Yeah, well, that's all well and good, but what if? What if I crash? What if the plane falls out of the sky? What if I lose my job? What if everybody hates me? But universal quantifiers, these are those words, always. This always happens to me. Nothing good ever comes of that. I'll never be happy. These are universal quantifiers, always, ever, never. The way to address it, and it's great because it really trips people up, people go, oh, this always happens to me. Always, really? There hasn't been one single time where that hasn't happened to you. And I'll go, well, there was that, oh, okay. So it doesn't always happen to you. Sometimes happens to you, maybe. But then, of course, if you accept that, you have to take your badge of misery off. And then it's like, but I like that badge. Universal quantifiers. If you're going to use them, because do you know what? Every day is great in my world. I'm always looking for the opportunities. I'll always smile at people. If you're going to use them constructively, but watch them, because we all do it. They slip in and they commit you to a lifetime of misery. It's good for your badges, not good for your life. Universal quantifiers. Remember that. It's important.